Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to clean up photos with Apple Intelligence on macOS 27. First of all, make sure to enable Apple Intelligence in your settings by going to Apple menu in the top left corner, selecting System Settings, and then finding Siri in here and turning it on and setting the language of the Siri right here in this field as the same language of that is of your system. And after that, we simply have to open the Photos application, go to any photo, then tap Edit in the top right corner, select Tools, and then select Clean Up. And now let's clean up these logs right here just by brushing over them, selecting Clean Up, and waiting until a newly cleaned up photo is generated. And here we have our result. Now just tap Save Changes, Done, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.